In this tutorial, we will learn how to book a video appointment through TutorTrac. First, log into Inside SOU. You may have to sign in with Duo. Then, navigate to the Hannon Library website. From there, navigate to the lower right and click on Tutoring Services. Once you're on the Tutoring Services homepage, look to the upper left and click on the Online Booking link. This is the TutorTrac homepage. You'll see your booked appointments here. Click on the Search Availability button on the left side of the page to begin booking your appointment. Use the box on the left-hand side to select between the Writing Center, Science, and Math labs. I will choose the Math lab. Next, select your tutor. Let's pick Mary. In this box, you choose which subject you'd like help with. How about calculus? In these boxes, you choose the dates in which you're available. Next, select which hours you can meet. The tutoring center opens at 8:30 a.m. Let's choose a morning appointment. The green words indicate what days of the week we're available. Press the M-F button to select Monday through Friday. Toggle the days you're available to meet by clicking on them. Unavailable days will become grayed out. Finally, click on the search button to display appointments that match your criteria. We can see 2 appointments that are available to us. Click on the appointment you'd like to book. Confirm the lab and subject you'd like. Double check on the time slot as well. You may add some notes to help your tutor prepare. Click Save to book the appointment. You and your tutor will be sent a confirmation email. Click Main Menu to return to the home page and view which appointments you've booked. If you wish to cancel an appointment, simply click the small gray X icon next to your booking. Include a reason for your cancellation and click Confirm Cancellation. Now you're done.